Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I have come with a very simple and easy recipe using both cauliflower and broccoli. But let not the word simple keep you back from making it, because you will be amazed how sometimes by using just simple basic ingredients, you still can make a bowl of deliciousness. Now let's get started. Here I have taken some cauliflower which I have cut into very small florets. Similarly, I have cut the broccoli into small florets as well. Then I need about a teaspoon of grated ginger, whole cumin seeds, some freshly crushed black pepper and I have left it coarse, turmeric powder and about 2 teaspoons of chickpea flour, or you can even use besan. Heat a pan over medium heat. While that is heating up, I would like to say that I really appreciate all your comments. At the same time, I would love to hear your feedback after trying out my recipes. You can even email me a picture of the end product after trying out a recipe, and I will be posting it in my videos. Check out my email in the description box below. Once the oil gets heated up, lower the heat to low and add cumin seeds. Let the seeds crackle and release their aroma. Then add the cauliflower florets. Increase the heat to medium and stir the cauliflower till they develop these slightly brown edges. At this point, add little bit of turmeric powder and the grated ginger. Stir for a few minutes till the raw smell of the ginger goes away. Then add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and immediately cover the pan. Keep it covered on medium-low heat for a few minutes, since cauliflower needs more time to get cooked, so it needs to be added earlier. Next, uncover and let's check on the cauliflower. They are not fully cooked yet, but they have just started to become tender. In this kind of situation, add the broccoli. Add some salt and little coriander powder. Here I would like to say that you can use any kind of spices or seasonings according to your choice or preference. You can add curry powder or cumin powder or whatever you desire. Just remember to add in little quantity so that it doesn't overpower the dish. Next I will add the chickpea flour. The chickpea flour will absorb all that moisture from the vegetables and it will itself give a nutty kind of flavor after getting cooked. So this element is quite important in this recipe. Now cover it on low heat and let the chickpea flour get cooked along with the broccoli and cauliflower. Keep it covered for a few minutes, but remember you do not want to wait to the point that the broccoli turns mushy and all its teeny tiny florets are strewn all over the place as if there was a storm in that pan. They still need to have that crunch in them and maintain their shape. These look perfect, so now I will be adding the ground black pepper. I always prefer adding freshly ground black pepper rather than those store-bought already ground ones. You never know for how long they've been sitting on that shelf and they lose all their flavor. Serve this as a side with roti, rice, or it even goes very well with a toasted bread. Please check out other recipes coming up at the end of this video, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing along with that bell so that you get notified each time I post a new video. This is Bumbi and thanks for joining me today. Bye bye.